Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't save phone numbers. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I have an Android phone. Recently, I can't save contacts. I can't save contacts from my call log, nor can I save them by creating a new contact. This is a big problem for me, and I haven't been able to find a solution. Any suggestions? Let me know. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know why your Android phone can't save contacts, don't panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Corrupted temporary files. The solution is to clear the app cache. Corrupted temporary files in your Android phone or contact management system could be one of the culprits. This might sound like you can't fix a problematic file, but the steps to solve the can't save phone number problem on an Android phone aren't complicated. Please try clearing the Contacts app cache with me. Open your phone's settings, then select Apps. Find the Contacts app option on the app screen, then select Storage or Cache. Here, select Clear Data or Clear Storage. After completing this, the can't save contacts on Android phone problem should be resolved. Cause 2. Insufficient memory. The solution is to clear memory. If your Android phone's internal storage is full, the Android system will prevent the creation of any new data, including contact files. This is why the Android phone is not saving contacts problem occurs. To troubleshoot this issue, please follow these steps to clear storage space. Open your phone's settings, find and tap Storage in Settings, and check if the remaining space on the storage screen is below 15%. If it is below 15%, free up storage space by deleting unnecessary files or uploading some files to the cloud. Afterward, test if the unable to save numbers to contacts problem persists. Cause 3. Invalid account or full SIM card. The solution is to change the storage location. When saving contacts to an invalid account or a full SIM card, the Android phone will be unable to save contacts because there is no more storage space. To resolve this, try changing the storage location. Please choose a working account or another SIM card when saving contacts. This will solve the Android phone says couldn't save contact problem. Cause 4. Insufficient permissions. The solution is to add app permissions. Adding new contacts requires verification by the Android system. If the Contacts app lacks sufficient permissions, you will not be able to save new contacts. To resolve the Android phone says couldn't add contact problem, check if the app permissions are sufficient. If not, add the Contacts app permissions immediately. Ensure that permissions for contacts, phone, and storage are enabled. Long press the Contacts app until a pop-up window appears. Then tap the icon in the upper right corner. Select the Permissions option. View and add the corresponding permissions here. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix contacts will not save on Android device, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.